But it's not all work. There is lots of fun and special activities. First, I should tell you, signing up for the workshop costs 1,150 pesos. Here is what is included. You get a McDonald's hat, t-shirt, and backpack. They are very high quality items. 2 or 3 McDonald's staff members are dedicated to our training every day. The workshop was from 8 to 11, but it usually lasted until 12. We learned how to work many of the food and counter stations. All of our lunches for the week were also included. Some of the lunches we had to make ourselves. Sounds fun, right? I wanted to share my experience with my cousin Kathy, so I invited her to join me. The first day started with everyone introducing themselves and getting to know each other and the McDonald's training staff. Then we took a tour of the restaurant. We learned how to use the soda fountain and to make McFlurries. After that, we worked on some art projects and had chicken and spaghetti for lunch, along with the drinks we made. Day 2, everyone took turns learning to enter the orders at the counter and collect the money from customers. Next, we practiced our end of course dance. And finally, we had a cheeseburger and fries for lunch. The third day, we learned how to make a burger. We practiced our end of course dancing, and then we ate the burgers we made. Day 4, we took turns learning how to work the drive-thru, did a family picture art project, and wrote our graduation speech for our parents. Then we had chicken and spaghetti for lunch. Graduation was on day 5. We received our graduation certificate, read our speeches for our parents, and had chicken and rice for lunch. Then we performed the dance we have practiced for our parents. Then the Hamburglar and Birdie mascot showed up and we took some pictures with them. At the end of class, we went into the main dining room and performed a couple of dances with the mascots for all the customers. All in all, it was a great week. We had tons of fun. McDonald's, you get an A+. I would highly recommend attending this workshop if you have a chance. Well, that's everything for today, adventurers. Remember to like and subscribe so I can hit my goal of 100 subscribers. Love for everyone. Bye.